Hey fashionistas, ready to design your dream party skirt? Today I'm guiding you through the Golden Whirl edition. Let's make this skirt the showstopper of any glam party or evening event. First up, the silhouette. We're talking a full circle skirt, high-waisted to accentuate your curves. Choose a floor length or ankle length, depending on your vibe. Now for the fabric. Start with a luxurious black satin or silk blend for that perfect structure and sheen. Want to add some drama? Go for a sheer black tulle overlay with gold embroidery or foil printing. It's all about that golden baroque pattern concentrated on the lower half of the skirt. And don't forget a decorative border print wrapping the hem. For the waistband, keep it thin and chic. Opt for gold or black with a gold trim. And for closure, a hidden zipper at the side or back keeps everything sleek and seamless. Now let's talk pairing. A black fitted crop top with sleeveless or cap sleeves will complement this skirt perfectly. Let's get into fabric swatches. Black Duchess satin, gold foil print organza, black mesh with gold thread embroidery, and for a heavier couture vibe, metallic jacquard. Onto accessories, think gold statement earrings or a choker. Pair with black stilettos or gold embellished sandals. A simple black clutch with metallic hardware seals the deal. And for extra waist definition, why not add a gold belt? That's it for today's design brief. I can't wait to see your Golden Whirl Party Skirt creations. Make sure to flaunt it at your next glam event. Catch you next time, fashion lovers.